Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you that how you can change content maturity settings in Roblox. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. First thing, you need to open Roblox on your device. You can do that on the computer or laptop as well. So once you open the Roblox application, the next thing you need to do is to tap on the More option. From here, you need to go to Settings. So once you tap on Settings, in the third option in the settings, you will find privacy and content maturity. You need to tap on that. So once you tap on privacy and content maturity, you will find content maturity, the first one. And here, as you can see, it is on the restricted one, and you can see the details that what restricted means. So if you cannot, like if you're on the moderate or mild, and you cannot go to the restricted, maybe you did not verify your age on a Roblox application yet. If you want to verify your age on Roblox, how you're going to do it, you can find the link of that video in the description. So this is how you can change it. If you want to change it from a mild to moderate, or here, it will be saved. And then the content that you will see on Roblox will be different. So guys, this is how you can change the content maturity on Roblox. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.